Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.